Hello children, welcome back and hope you all are good. So in this video we will do chapter 4 operations on large numbers, and we will cover the multiplication part of this chapter. So content of this video are concept, properties of multiplication, rules of multiplication, and exercises 10, 11 and 12. So children, first we will start the concept of multiplication. So here, multiplication of whole numbers is the short way to do repeated addition. The number by which any number is multiplied is known as the multiplicand, and the result of the multiplication is known as the product. So see children, here 754 multiplied by 8. So the answer is 6032. So 754 is multiplicand and 8 is multiplier and 6032 is product. In the same way, see second example, 524 multiplied by 6 and the answer is 3144. So in this example, 524 is multiplicand, 6 is multiplier and the answer 3144 is product. Now properties of multiplication. First one is order property of multiplication. So the product of two numbers does not change if the order of the numbers multiplied is changed. For example, first one, 9 into 5 is equal to 5 into 9, and second one, 7 into 6 is equal to 6 into 7. So children, in this property you see the in the example, both the side, left hand side and right hand side, the answer will be the same, whether order, whatever you have written in which order, the answer will be the same. Second one is grouping property of multiplication. So the product of two or three numbers does not change if the grouping of the numbers multiplied is changed. So example, 15 into 16, it is in the bracket, and outside the bracket multiplied by 17 is equal to 15 into, in bracket, 16 into 17. Both sides will be equal, the answer will be equal. So this is grouping property. Second example, 11 into 13 in bracket, then multiplied by 7 is equal to 11 into, in bracket, 13 into 7. Now third one is distributive property of multiplication over addition. So example, 18 plus 15 multiplied by 5. So children, here 18 plus 15 is inside the bracket. So it means 18 multiplied by 5 and 15 also multiplied by 5. So equation will be 18 into 5 plus 15 into 5. Now fourth one is the product of 1 and any number is the number itself. For example, 175 into 1 is equal to 175, and second one, 8,54,372 multiplied by 1 is equal to 8,54,372, means the number itself. Fifth one is the product of 0 and any number is 0. For example, 654 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0, and second one, 1543 multiplied by 0 is equal to 0. Now next property is when the multiplier is 10, 100, 1000, etc., the product has as many zeros on the right side of the number being multiplied as the multiplier. For example, 75 into 10 is equal to 750. Then second, 234 multiplied by 100 is equal to 23,400. And here third one, see children, in the if the number multiplied by 10,000 and 100, what you have to do, you have to put the same zero in the number as given in the example. Now property 7. To multiply a number of 2,000, 3,000 or 4,000 and so on, we multiply the number by the digit in the thousands place of the multiplier and write the 3 zeros on the right of the product. So for example, first one, 735 into 6,000 is equal to, in bracket you can write 735 into 6 and outside the bracket multiplied by 1000. So first you have to multiply the numbers whatever given in the bracket and then you have to multiply it by 1000. In the same way, second example is also given, 2035 multiplied by 15,000. So here you have to split the 15,000 first. So in bracket you have to write 2035 into 15 and outside the bracket multiplied by 1000. So you will get the desired answer. Now children, will start exercise 10. Question number 1 is fill in the blanks. So A1 is 1485 into dash is equal to 2346 into 1485. So children, according to the order property of multiplication, the answer will be 2346. You have to see both the side will be equal. Now come to question number H. Dash into 1030 into 975, it is given in the bracket, is equal to, in bracket 2460 into 1030 in bracket, then multiplied by 975. So children, this is grouping property. So whatever number is missing, you have to fill that number so that the both side will be equal. So the answer is 2460. Now question number 2, fill in the blanks. Here first one, 2718 multiplied by 10 is equal to 27,180, and fifth one, 47,385 multiplied by 1000. So what do you get? 4,73,85,000. Now come to next question, find the following product. So children, you have to multiply these numbers. First, sixth one is 7,892 into 300. So you can split 300 into 3 into 100. So you can take 7,892 into 3 in bracket, and outside the bracket you can write 100, and after multiplying the numbers whatever given in the bracket, you have to multiply it by the 100. So you can put 2 zeros to the answer. Then question number 10 also same way. Here 7,891 multiplied by 6,000. So you can split 6,000 into 6 into 1000 and take these two numbers inside the bracket, 7,891 into 6, and outside the bracket multiplied by 1000. So whatever you when you get the answer after multiplying the in bracket numbers, you can put 3 zeros to the answer. Then come to next question, by using suitable grouping find the following products. Question number 12. So 2 into 467 into 5. So children, here you have to make group first. So you can write 467 into, in bracket, 2 into 5. So 467 into 2 into 5, 10. So you can put 1 0 to the number. Question number 17. 2 into 5726 into 500. So first you have to make group. You can write like this: 5726 into, in bracket, 2 into 500, that is 1000. So you can put 3 zeros to the answer. Now come to exercise 11. Find the following product. So children, here the numbers are given, you have to multiply it. Question number 5. 12,456 multiplied by 784. So children, here first you have to multiply the multiplicand by 4. So you will get 49,824. Then with the second number you have to multiply, that means 12,456 multiplied by 80. So you will get 996,480. Then the last number you have to multiply by 7. So you will get 87,19200. And after that you have to add these numbers. So you will get 97,65,504. Then in the same way, question number 18 also you can do. Now come to exercise 12. Exercise 12 is based on the word problem. So I am going to explain each question. Just listen carefully. First one is, the cost of a scooter is rupees 36,453. Find the cost of 270 scooters. So children, you have to write steps like this. The cost of one scooter is equal to rupees, whatever given you have to write down that one. Then the cost of 270 scooters, you have to multiply these two numbers. So after multiplying it, we will get the answer. The cost of 270 scooter is equal to 73 crore 16 lakh 11,710. Question number 2 is, the cost of a bicycle is rupees 2,895. Find the cost of 1,486 bicycle. So children, step should be like this. The cost of a bicycle is given, you have to write down. Then cost of 1,486 bicycle is equal to, you have to multiply 1,486 by rupees 2,895. So the answer will be rupees 43 lakhs 1,970. Now question number 3. A truck can carry 6,785 kg of goods. How much can 759 trucks carry? So goods carried by a truck is equal to 6785 kg. Now goods carried by 759 trucks is equal to 6785 kg into 759. So you will get the answer. Now question number 4. There are 1,483 bags of wheat in a godown. If each bag weighs 108 kg, find the total weight of these bags. Weight of one bag of wheat is equal to 108 kg. The weight of 1,483 bags is equal to, you have to multiply both the numbers. Now come to question number 9. A newspaper contains 124 columns. Each columns contain 136 lines. Each line has 36 letters. How many letters are there in the newspaper? So children, here 3 numbers are given and you have to multiply all the 3 numbers. And a step should be like this. Number of columns in a newspaper is equal to 124. Number of lines in each column is equal to 136. Number of letters in each line is equal to 36. And number of letters in the newspaper is equal to, you have to multiply all the 3 numbers. 124 multiplied by 136 multiplied by 36. You will get the answer 6,07,104. Now Question number 10, find the continued product. 3 numbers are given, you have to multiply it. So first you have to make it in group and then multiply it. So 628 into 537 we will write in the bracket, and outside the bracket multiplied by 96. So you will get the answer. Now children, we will come to the end of this video. I have given some homework, so you note it down and you have to do it in your maths notebook. From exercise 10, question number 4, 7, 10, 13 and 16. From exercise 11, question number 2, 8, 14 and 16. From exercise 12, question number 5, 6, 7, 8 and 11. So we will meet in the next video. Till then, take care and be safe. Thank you.